That burning in your chest isn't just spicy food regret. It could be GERD, a condition where stomach acid attacks your esophagus more than 50 times a day. But what causes it? How can you stop it? And when is it dangerous? Let's dive deep into acid reflux. GERD happens when your body's natural acid barriers fail. Weak Les valve, the floppy door between stomach and esophagus. Hiatal hernia, where the stomach bulges through the diaphragm. Delayed stomach emptying, meaning food sits too long. Increased abdominal pressure, often due to obesity or pregnancy. Surprising triggers include late-night eating because gravity stops working when you lie down. Certain medications like blood pressure pills and antidepressants. Carbonated drinks as bursts of gas force acid up. Mint and flavored gum, which relax the LES valve. Every acid splash causes damage. That's why 10% of GERD patients develop Barrett's esophagus, a precancerous condition. You can't always cure GERD, but these strategies can put out the fire. Eat smaller meals, as less volume means less pressure. Wait more than 3 hours before lying down to let gravity help. Sleep on your left side, as anatomy keeps acid down. Lose belly fat because just 10% weight loss helps. Quit smoking, as nicotine relaxes the LES. When it comes to managing GERD, there are certain foods you'll want to avoid. Citrus fruits, tomatoes, chocolate, alcohol, and coffee can all be triggers. But don't worry, there are plenty of good options to embrace. Oatmeal, ginger, bananas, and lean proteins are all great choices. And here's a little trick. Chewing gum, as long as it's non-mint, can help increase saliva production and ease symptoms. Elevate your bed head 6 inches. Stacking pillows just bends your neck and makes it worse. When lifestyle changes aren't enough, modern medicine steps in. Antacids offer quick relief but don't heal. H2 blockers like Pepcid reduce acid production. PPIs such as Nexium provide the strongest acid suppression. Prokinetics help your stomach empty faster. For advanced solutions, there's the Lynx device, a magnetic bracelet for the LES, fundoplication, which is stomach wrap surgery, and the TIF procedure, an endoscopic valve repair. PPIs are great but not forever drugs. Long-term use risks bone fractures and nutrient deficiencies. GERD isn't just discomfort. It's acid literally burning holes in your esophagus. But now you're armed with knowledge to fight back. Hit like if you've ever had midnight acid attacks, subscribe for more gut health tips, and comment, what's your worst GERD trigger?